Today we'll discuss about types of data transmission in a network. Data transmission in a network. Data transmission. Basically, there are two types of data transmission. Signal are transmitted in two ways. One is analog transmission, other is digital transmission. So data transmission is two types. One is analog data transmission, second one is digital data transmission. So first we will know what is analog transmission. Analog transmission is a continuous signal transmission. Here the signal voltage varies sinusoidally with time. The signal voltage varies sinusoidally with time. That means it stays the sine wave. Sine wave. So here suppose this is the maximum 5 volt, this is the minimum 5 volt. That means the signal voltage or the amplitude of the signal varies from minus 5 volt to plus 5 volt. This is the highest amplitude, this is the minimum amplitude, lowest amplitude. So when the signal voltage varies sinusoidally, we call it is called as analog transmission. Analog transmission has continuous signal. It has continuous signal voltage. Continuous signal voltage means here the signal has a certain range. Just we are whatever we are doing in integration, just 0 to 5. That means the value varies from 0 to 5. Like this, it has a value from here minus 5 to plus 5. So that means here the signal voltage in the continuous format. So in analog transmission, the example is sound. Sound is a analog data transmission, because you can see whenever the sound goes through a long distance, after covering a long distance its amplitude decreases, so that we are unable to hear the sound from a long distance. That's why analog transmission is a continuous signal transmission where data are transmitted in continuous signal voltage, and it varies, the signal voltage varies sinusoidally or sine wave with the time. This is about the analog data transmission. Next we will know what is digital data transmission. Digital data transmission. So in internet we are using the digital data packets. So generally digital data transmission are found in the form of digital packets. Packets mean digital data transmission consists of two discrete values, either 1 or 0. 1 or 0. Here in analog there is a continuous signal, data signal, but here discrete data signal or discrete data values, either 0 or 1. 1 means on state, or you can say high voltage. 0 means off state, or it is treated as low voltage. So here there are two signals only. One is analog, first one is high voltage, another is low voltage. On state, off state. In Boolean logic we say it is true, it is false. So discrete data, in discrete format the digital data are transmitted in the form of packets, because the combination of certain bits is called as packets or data packets. इसका एग्जाम्पल है मोबाइल डाटा, इंटरनेट डाटा और द डिजिटल डाटा फॉर्मेट. So here the signal voltage has a fixed amplitude. It has a fixed amplitude of signal. That means here this is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. In this way data is transmitted. So here the signal voltage has a fixed amplitude. The amplitude is fixed. Either it is 0 or 1. So digital data transmission does not degrade after covering a long distance. It has the D4 advantage. D4 means digital data does not degrade. That's why your internet data packet does not degrade after covering a long distance. So digital data transmission means internet data packets data transmission. Here data is transmitted in the discrete values or discrete forms, that are 0 or 1. So in internet the data is generally transmitted in digital format. So what we learn, there are two types of data transmission. The signal are transmitted in two ways. One is analog, other is digital. Analog means continuous signal, digital means discrete signal. In analog transmission, the signal voltage varies sinusoidally or sine wave. In digital data transmission, the signal voltage has a discrete value, either 0 or 1. So that for long distance transmission, the signal does not degrade. Thank you.